Hey everybody, are you wondering if YouTube automation is worth the effort? It is not that you don't want to earn money online, but you do not have enough time to create a video because creating video is a time consuming task. So many people are missing out on this opportunity and I can't believe that I am sharing this with you. YouTube automation is the next big trend. Once you start using YouTube automation strategies, you will know how easy it is. You will be able to make money online without spending so much time doing all the work all by yourself. In this series, I will tell you the step-by-step process and discuss the tools that will help you create content. This series will focus on how to use these tools to boost the quality of your content and most importantly, reduce the amount of time you spend on creating it. By doing so, you will know how to make videos for YouTube, how to increase your viewers and your subscribers, so watch the video till the end. Let's start. For creating any YouTube video, it takes 3 steps. First, writing a script. Second, turning that script into a video. Third, uploading the video on YouTube and optimizing the channel. Today we will learn how to create scripts for YouTube using AI in less than 5 minutes. You heard me right. And for the other 2 parts, I have already created videos in the past and you can find those videos on my channel by searching the name how to turn a script into a video and how to optimize YouTube channel. By doing so, trust me, your basics for YouTube automation are in place and you are good to go. The name of this tool is rytr.me. So far, this is the best AI software that I have come across for writing scripts. Ideally, the name of this software should be Blow Your Mind because this definitely will blow your mind once you start using it. This is a freemium tool. That means you can use this tool for a limited period of time for free. That means you can create 5,000 characters per month for free. That means almost 500 to 600 words which you can create using this software. In case you like this software, you can obviously go ahead with the paid versions. I am sharing the link in the description box. In case you're interested to go ahead with this tool, you can obviously get the tool and get going with your content. I am an affiliate partner for this tool. That means if you get this tool from the link that I've shared in the description box, maybe I will get some commission, and that commission is purely for me to continue this YouTube channel as well as explore different softwares that I can help you, and I can tell you that which software you should possibly go ahead with. So let's get started to writing. So today I'm going to create a blog in front of you in less than 5 minutes on benefits of cycling. But before I do that, I just want to tell you that what all things you can do from this tool. First, you can pick any language that you want to go ahead with. I'm going to go with English. Second, you can pick the tone. This is really interesting part of this tool. That means you can pick different tones of the content which this tool will give you. So I'm going to go ahead with, let's say, casual. Third part, you can choose your own case. This is the best part of this tool. You don't have to spend enough time for picking up those things. You just have to select for creating your content, and this tool will give you content around that. So to create a blog, we need some ideas, we need some sections. So I'm going to go ahead with blog idea and outline. So the moment I press this, I just need to enter the keywords for which I need to write a blog. So I'm going to write with benefits of cycling. The moment I put in this, these are the different variations that I can use. I'm going to go ahead with one variant, but when you're using this tool, I would suggest always go with 3 variants, and all I have to do is write for me. In less than 5 seconds, you will see that I have a clear, broader section of my blog. Voila. So this is the title, and you can see that automatically the title of the blog becomes H1, the subtitles becomes H2, and so on and on. So more or less my blog section is good to go. All I have to do is I just have to figure out the extra words that are there, and I can just get rid of those words. More or less my section of the blog is ready. But so the question is whether my blog is ready. The answer is obviously no, because there are just 3 different lines, and obviously I can't claim this as a blog. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just highlight this, and the moment you highlight any section, it gives you different options that you can play around with. For me to expand this, I just have to press paragraph, and you will see that instantly this section gets expanded with a lot of words, which will start to look like a blog in making. This is what I'm saying. Within few clicks, more or less my blog is getting ready. I'm gonna paragraph this. Paragraph is just one of the options this tool provides. It has a lot of features that I'm going to tell you that how you can use these features instantly to create a blog. So as you can see, 7 benefits of cycling you probably didn't know. And in less than a minute, my blog is ready. Honestly, this seems like a blog which is extremely SEO friendly, and if I'm going to post it anywhere with using proper SEO strategy, this blog is likely to rank even better. Now let's deep dive that what are the different features that I can use with this software. So this software is basically picking data from internet, right? So I want to ensure that whatever content I post is not plagiarized. So all I have to do is just go on more, highlight the section, go to more, and check for plagiarism. If this content is plagiarized, it will tell me that this is plagiarized, and it will also tell me that from where this content is plagiarized. So as you can see, it shows me that this content was plagiarized. So obviously I'm not going to use this completely, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to re-paraphrase this. This is again the best part of this tool, that automatically this will re-paraphrase, and I'm going to check whether it is still plagiarized or not. If it is still plagiarized, which is not, so that means this content is starting to become a real content which does not exist as of right now on the internet. Few more things that you can use from this is again you go to section more, and you can shorten this, and you will see that this content becomes little less wordy, which is good. I'm gonna go back and make it normal. And if you want to increase or if you want to improve the language, all you have to do press is improve. This will automatically improve the language and the grammar. So this is really cool. What I'm gonna go ahead with, since this is part of the series where I am telling you about YouTube automation, so this is my first step done for creating a script. I'm gonna post this blog on my website and try to get some traffic, but more importantly, I am going to convert this article into a full length video, again using an AI software, and trust me, it will not take more than 7 minutes for me to create that authentic original video which is ready to go on YouTube. Are you excited about this tool? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like that video, comment what exactly you learned from this video, and follow us, because in the next video I'm going to talk about how to convert this article into a video. The link of that video is right there on your screen, so watch that video, and do not forget to subscribe us, because in my channel I reveal all the secrets which you need to know about content creation.